Hey guys, this is Prithvi here from my PC, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit a course in course management. So first off, you choose the course of your choice and click on the edit icon for that course. You go here. Now here you can edit your teacher's name, your dates, your days, your time, your course description. You can make all of these edits and then click on next. Now when you click on next, you will go on this calendar page. Here you can add a new class or edit an existing class. When you edit a new class, you click on this class name from the calendar. This pop-up will open up. Now here you can edit all those details, or you can delete this class using this button. If you click on delete, the class will be deleted, or you can make edits over here and then click on next. You can also edit the tests associated with this class. Click on update class after you are done and your class will be updated. After you are done with this screen, click on next. When you click on next, you will be on the screen where you will upload course materials. Now you can also make edits to the already uploaded course materials, like renaming, downloading, deleting, all those stuff, or you can upload a new file. Finally, when you are done, click on finish. Now after you click on finish, you'll be directed to this screen where you can also make the change of the status of that course. You can change the status from open to closed, closed to completed, or completed to open again. So this was a video about how to edit a course in course management. Thanks for watching.